Look in here.
Open these first.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Let's see if we could open that one. Anya!
No, get off.
Anya!
No.
Open it up.
Here. Open it. There you go. Open it.
She whipped it.
Oh.
I got that real vacuum cleaner for her. We got it.
Oh, you got the word on the vacuum.
Mommy.
Love the vacuum.
Really?
You open it.
You can open it.
Open it.
There you go. There you go.
We got that for her too.
What's that?
She's gonna try to eat them.
Then take that for her. It's a bunch of vegetables and fruits and.
That was our shopping or vegetables.
Open.
Are you going shopping?
Open that.
Does it actually work?
Yeah. Open it. Keep opening it.
Balls in it. Has some balls.